So yeah, before we start this video, oh, my box nearly fell. So this is the next modification I did on my bike, and before we start the video, I wanna show you guys the mod because I'm kind of having like a mixed feeling whether to keep it on or just take it off. And then this shirt, I don't know, I thought it would be funny. I know it's not funny, but then
oh my god, that was so funny!
I just thought I would also let you guys see it and not only hear it, since you guys have been commenting I use the word soya a lot. So yeah, let's go and check out the bike now and see the mod. Woo! So this is how my bike looks. Kind of having like a mixed feeling on whether I should keep it on or just take it off, but yeah, here's the side view. I didn't wash my bike, so it's very dirty. Here's the side view, and the mirrors look like this. So yeah, comment down if I should keep it on or take it off. Also the indicators work, so that's a plus point. Oh yeah, let me adjust this before I move. I need to see what's behind me. Yeah, see, practicality wise, you can look what's behind, but then it's just that looks a lot girisheto, and it's kind of weird for me to have mirrors. So today is gonna be a promotion video, I guess, or maybe a sponsored video, because Meza and Rachel, who are my good friends, they've opened up a new business which is like, it's called Your Platter. And then I asked what it means, and then they said it's like a customer's platter where you can order and then get your fooding. So it's basically like a food delivery kind of store, but then they don't have a restaurant or anything. It's all home based, so yeah, you can expect good food from them. And then for the time I've known Rachel, she's really good at cooking, so I'm really excited to be going and then tasting her food. And then their items, you know, it's Chinese, Indian, and then, you know, Naga thali, and also and then I'll give their link of their Instagram on my description, so you guys can check it out and do, you know, order from them, because it's gonna be really good. They won't disappoint, the food won't disappoint you guys. So for you guys can order and it'll come at your doorstep, but then me, I'm personally going to their house because, you know, those are promotion happening. We'll go try to shoot some cooking videos, and you know, whatever happens with that YouTuber shit. So yeah, actually excited for it. And then the mirrors, you know, mirrors aren't bad. I can look what's behind. Let me adjust this a little, and then yeah, not bad. I can see what's behind me now. I don't have to turn back. So for me, the mirrors are fine, okay. Like when I'm riding it, it looks fine from here, but the front look, I'm a little, I've already told you guys that I'm having mixed feelings, so yeah, that's what's going on. Practicality 1000, looks, I don't know, half. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And I take a left from here. Also, if you guys are interested in buying these mirrors, then I'll also put a link of that on my description. So quality wise, they're not that good. I mean, they're lightweight, so that's good for the bike, but then the quality, it feels like, I don't know, cheap plastic. Being honest, opay na. Manangge misamishi samande pasay na dio. But I feel like this would look good in the R15. Being a KTM owner, it's like really frustrating because you don't get much when it comes to modification. You can't put like aftermarket mirrors here. I mean, I did put aftermarket mirrors, but I'm kind of having mixed feelings. Again, I'm repeating, I know, but yeah, so yeah. Let's see if it'll grow on me, or I'll take it off and maybe do a giveaway. I don't know, let's see. And I am reaching their house, so I will continue the video inside their house. A few moments later. Are you boys excited to eat? It's good, YouTube. Full suit. Mat khone Malaysia suit te ji tai na. Gorla kapra chapal lagaina ji. Full suit. Manner bhi nahi, juta bhi nakole barne. Socks bhi lagana hai. Socks bhi lagana hai. Socks is not good. Oh, expensive socks. Expensive. And we are all waiting to eat.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Ch da 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 da. Di da di di da di di da 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 da. Di da di li da di li di da. Di da di li.
The packaging is really good. Just see. Hard plastic. Hard plastic. So yeah, we're gonna be having it now. Woo! So we have ki. Mazay. Koi ki ke is it? Bolo kya kya hai?
Plain rice with chicken.
Momo. Different
Pork
style.
momo.
Chicken momo.
Butter chicken.
Naan.
Fried rice. Pork fried rice.
Pork fried rice.
Pork chow.
Oh yeah. Chow.
Pork.
Sticky rice.
Black sticky rice with pork.
Chili sauce and then badam sauce.
Peanut sauce.
Peanut sauce. Chutney. So these are the items we're gonna be having, and then yeah. So yeah, let's do a review. I don't know how to do this, but yeah, let's go.
Chalo where or what? Oh, what?
The expression yun na birthday camera. Wow! Nice.
Chutney daw na ko. Kung
Huh? Oh.
straight from France. 와, 이거 둘이 나에게서 큰일 나게 되지. I'm nervous. 이런 들나? 와.
Pwede ako na pwede daw.
이거 잘 이제 문제 안 나가요.
Muy good. I'm gonna be trying the fried rice now. Fried rice. Fried rice. I'm gonna be trying the chow now. The fried rice is too good.
좋아나 여기. 야, 에나가 돼. 저. 갈리와 스포츠 룰레. 맞아 좋아.
And also, you guys can check their menu out. It's in their page. The price is really reasonable.
샹하네 돼. 싸가지고.
Tignan na.
무시노해. Cameraman. Tutma meze.
I'm trying the chicken momo right now.
This is FSSAI approved.
전면 오고 가네. 내가 오늘 기다려 있어.
Sotes.
뭐?
Sotes. 이제 라봉거리. 여기 그.
알아서도 난 라지. 나는 라지. tại gấu đi ra hôm giờ tôi kiếm rau bây giờ này.
뭐요? So professional. Kau nak
Mau mak sih apa jadi bala itu. Syah. You know I know what. I'm trying naan.
What else, man?
What a naan. Yeah, first time I'll do naan with my naan. You look at that. You look at it. You look at it. Oh. But I wanna do it.
Non distillated and the Promotional.
Tadi ke malam nggak boleh pergi.
Kau juga.
Itu bisa loh.
Mau gimana explainnya?
Kau nggak kuat.
Oh. What kind of very good rice. Oh, I'm trying the nagatali now and then. Wow. So smells. Chalo, let's try nagatali. Cucumber, sobuto, onion, carrot. Maksudnya na to.
Frog lambat lang.
Nice, Hardy. First. Oh, chalo, try it. Okay, I'm going to be trying the sticky rice nagatali. And then if you guys want dal over here, then you know, you'll get it. Call. What disturbance to? Utabi call me as well. Bagong dal na.
Ew, brother. Bunlar video. Nasıl tutuyor öyle? Umurlu değil. Umurlu iptal mı iptal
Well, cucumber and fresh dito. So we're still eating, but then I wanna say on a serious. This is a very serious talk here now. Enough of eating and joking around. I didn't finish these two nagatalis because I'm not much big fan of rice and food. Although I eat food, but then I really love the fried rice. It's really good, and the butter chicken is also good. The chicken momo was good, and then especially the naan. I really love the naan for me personally. Not saying the others were bad, but then yeah. So you guys?
Yeah. For me, it was the naan and peanut chutney. Yeah.
You?
For me, it was the naan and momo.
Oh,
One of the
Which
best.
which momo?
The pork momo.
kadang gitu deh.
Kurumi aja.
Yeah.
Momo boy.
Bro. My bad, so sorry.
Yep. So yeah, I've given their description on my YouTube description, so you guys can check it out. And then you'll also be receiving soup with momo and chow. And then for the nagatali, you guys must be seeing there's no dal. So when you guys order it, you guys will receive dal because there's no space to put dal here. So you guys will receive dal in a different package. And then I don't take spice, chili or anything. So you guys tell me how was the. You guys can see the sweat on his head. So, gina deh chutney to.
This was the best thing ever. This was the best thing I ever had.
For me, it was this.
Oh, badam boy.
Very nice.
This is badam chutney, and then this is chili na.
The mashed chili.
Mashed chili. Chili oil chutney. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the food review. Also, yeah, they're not a restaurant or a hotel or anything. They're gonna be delivering these items straight in your doorstep. So yeah, that's a good thing. Additional charges applied. So yeah, baby.